What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin Breeze here, coming at you with my unboxing and first impressions video of the Umidigi One Max. This is actually the first phone from Umidigi that I've ever gotten here in the office, and I'm really excited to check it out. Now, I also recently got the Umidigi F1, and I'll be doing that in another video, so there's a lot of good stuff to come, but without further ado, let's dive on in and take a look at the Umidigi One Max. So you can see here they kind of have an interesting design with the box. They have this kind of slide out thing here. And then on the back side, we have some different specifications. Now we'll go over these specs throughout the video here, so don't worry about it for now. But for now, let's just open this up and see what's inside. So we'll take this little sleeve off, pretty cool. And we have up front here, Umidigi. Then we have some tape here on the back side. Cut that open. Cut this open as well. Alright. And first thing we have here is a card that says thank you. And you're welcome, Umidigi. Alright, and then we have the actual phone itself here. Put this off to the side for now. Looks like it has wireless charging, which is a great thing to see. I'm a huge fan of wireless charging. So what else do we have in the box? So we have a little guidebook here that says link to the world. We'll open this on up, see what's inside. So we have a SIM removal tool. And then we have a little bit of literature. So we have the One Max quick start guide here, kind of going over some different information about the phone in a variety of different languages too. So that's good to see. We have the Umidigi branded wall adapter here with one USB 2.0 port on the side and American plugs. And the last thing here is a USB Type-C cord for charging and data transfer. And I really like this red coloring here. This looks really nice and really a nice surprise here because I've never seen a USB Type-C cable that looks quite like this. But that's everything that's in the box. Just have some nice felt here on the inside to keep everything safe. So this little sticker here just kind of mentions that when you're doing the wireless charging, you just want to make sure that you have it lined up the right way, or else the charging process will be slower and you may experience higher heat dissipation. So let's now peel off this screen protector here, and we have the display. Now this device features a 6.3 inch display coming in at 720p, and it comes with a nice case here. This is a clear case. So we're going to take off the clear case right now so we can get a full look at the actual phone itself. But it's just really awesome to see that the device does come with a case. Even if it's kind of a more basic case, I mean, I'm just glad to see that there is a case included, so that if you do want a basic case for some reason, then you don't have to worry about going out and buying one. Now that I've taken the case off the phone, I also peeled back this little piece of plastic here on the back side, and wow, that is really sharp. I've got to say, I've never had a phone with this kind of coloring on the back side here. I just really like it. It's kind of purple on the top and blue on the bottom, and that just looks beautiful. I mean, it's very reflective, of course, as you can probably tell, but that's not a bad thing at all. So let's now power this on, and we'll go over a quick tour of the hardware of the device. So on the front side here, we do have the 6.3 inch 720p display. This display features a 19:9 aspect ratio, and the pixel per inch rating is 267. We do also have a little notch on the top here, and this is actually a teardrop notch, so it's a lot smaller than the type of notch that you'd find with phones such as the iPhone XS. Now, out of the box here, this device does come with a pre-installed plastic screen protector, and it's definitely optional for whether or not you want to keep this on. Of course, if you find a nice third-party tempered glass screen protector, you might want to use that instead. But it's nice that it at least has this kind of plastic screen protector because you can keep it on if you want to, or you can take it off if you want to do that as well. Now overall, just from my first impressions here, the hardware really is beautiful in this device. You know, we have pretty small bezels here on the front. Of course, having that teardrop notch is a great feature as well. I really like that this device has that versus a full-size notch. Also, we have this really cool kind of chrome band going around the sides of the phone. Now on the right side, we have the power button, which is also a fingerprint sensor. Another unique feature here, seeing this fingerprint sensor on the side of the phone. We also have the volume rockers here on the side. Now on the other side, we have the door here for the micro SD card and SIM card. Then on the top, we just have the noise canceling microphone. Then on the bottom, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a speaker. And then on the back side of the device, we have the 12 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel secondary camera there. Then below that we have the flash, and then we have the Umidigi logo here with some regulatory information. And again, I just can't get over how cool this device looks on the back. This is just an amazing look here, and I just love how it's reflective, how it's kind of blue and purple. It just looks awesome. And another great feature, which we'll be deeply covering in the full review video, is the front-facing camera, which comes in at 16 megapixels, which is really amazing. Now let's tap on start here to get this set up. Skip. And we'll skip Wi-Fi for now. Continue. We'll go to next, next, skip, not now, skip, more, accept. And now we're on the home screen here. Now let's check out what applications are pre-installed with the Umidigi One Max. So it looks like here on the home screen we just have the Google applications pre-installed. That's great to see. We'll swipe up here. We have the browser, calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, clock, contacts, drive, Duo, Files Go, FM radio, Gmail, Google, Maps, Messenger, phone, photos, play movies, play music, play store, settings, SIM toolkit, sound recorder, and YouTube. So really no bloatware on this device, which is great to see. So overall, my first impressions of the Umidigi One Max are really positive. I'm really impressed with the hardware and build quality of this device, and I'm really excited that it's available for the affordable price tag of $179.99. That seriously makes this a great value. Now this device is available GSM unlocked, which means that it'll work on any GSM carrier. Unfortunately, it will not work on Verizon or Sprint, but in the US it's going to work on AT&T, T-Mobile, Cricket, and Metro by T-Mobile. I also wanted to mention that this device features 128 gigabytes of internal storage, which is incredible, and I know for me personally, I'd probably never reach that storage cap with all the content on my device. But if you happen to need more than 128 gigabytes on the Umidigi One Max, then you can also add in a microSD card. This device has wireless charging, which is great to see. I also really love that it has this fingerprint sensor on the side of the device here. Under the hood, it has 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is insane for this price tag, and it features the MediaTek Helio P23 processor. Video recording maxes out at 1080p at 30 frames per second, and the device features a 4150 mAh internal battery. Now unfortunately, this device ships with the Android 8.1 Oreo, which isn't terrible, but I really would have loved if the Umidigi One Max shipped with Android 9 Pie. Now out of the box, at least as of the time of me recording this video, we do get a small minor bug fix update here, but there is no update for Pi, so hopefully that comes out soon. But I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and first impressions video of the Umidigi One Max. If you're ready to buy this phone now, then definitely take a look at the link in the video description, as that's an Amazon affiliate link, so you can go over to there, buy this device, and support the channel at the same time. But also stay tuned for a variety of different videos about this device, including a full review video which will be out soon. But thanks again for watching. This is Kevin Breeze here, and I will see you in the next video.